It's Lip Combo Wednesday, and I have 3 products for you. One is the MAC Lip Liner in Chestnut. The other one is the Baby Skin Lip Balm by Maybelline. The third one is the Creamy Mattes by Maybelline in Touch of Spice. So first, you apply a little bit of the lip balm, and then with the lip liner, start here. The brown lip liner makes the lipstick a deeper shade, so that's why I chose this today. So not much shading on this one. And now the lipstick, Touch of Spice, in the middle of my lips. There you have it. A really lovely, rosy but mauvey look. I love it. See you again next week.